we're just going.
Yeah, we're just doing this.
Oh man.
All right, are we on 11th Gorgeous?
Yep.
I don't want it to just be the plant between us. It's like
I cover up the whole
two girls,
bookcase.
one plant. Two girls, one plant. Two girls, one plant. Do you see my dilemma here?
But
like if we back up more, there's gonna be less
plant.
whatever. First drop! Oh my god!
Hey guys! It's weird, I'm gonna be looking up instead of the
I know,
side.
but also we are back in our office filming because today is a very special day.
The release of Z's iPhone
11
Pro Max. It's just iPhone 11, but like we got the Pro Max as seen in the title. So we're gonna unbox it for you guys.
Yes.
We have a little kind of camera setup. It might not be too steady, we'll see. I think it'll stabilize just fine.
Yeah.
Where we can show you guys in this area and then we'll
What
talk
we're doing
up here
yeah.
too.
Okay.
And so we're gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new here.
Yeah.
Hit the notification bell. Comment below, tell us if you got the new iPhone or if you're an Android.
Yeah, I would just like to say before the comments start getting hit up, we do not claim to be technological experts, okay?
No.
We're just two girls who like iPhones, and I know that that will also be a subject of interesting debate.
Too much squealing.
Yeah, yeah.
I think that was last year's comments.
So we're excited. It's an exciting big purchase. Let me have my excitement.
Let me squeal a little bit and I'll
Okay.
also drink my diet.
Also, I literally just finished curling my hair and it's doing weird things. So like,
It's fine.
just keep count or take a shot every time I touch my hair. Okay, whatever. Nah. So we like to intercept our packages from UPS.
No, you cannot deliver to our house because you'll take it till 8 o'clock tonight.
Right.
I would like to pick you up in the morning. Although
Yes.
our UPS changed their hours, so we're a little late this year.
Yeah.
We picked ours up at 9 a.m. last year. This year it was 11.
Yeah.
They're doing construction and stuff, so I think they had different hours. But
We have
it.
Okay.
I can't contain my excitement.
Oh my god.
I want to start opening mine.
Also, I would just like to say we also already have our phone case and our screen protectors that we purchased on Amazon. We'll link the ones down below in the comments that we picked up.
I think we got the same screen protectors, but different. Which the screen protectors were, they said they were for an 11 Pro Max, but they're really just the same thing.
The dimensions are the same.
Yeah.
So I got the Caseology Skyfall, and last time we got the Waterfall. Yeah. So I got the Waterfall.
I didn't,
I mean, this time is the
I
Skyfall.
took mine out, but we always get like usually a clear
Yeah.
case.
So it says floor, meet your match.
Oh, it's already open after that one.
This is an unboxing within an unboxing. So this is, mine's actually 2 pieces.
Huh, mine's just one.
So
Mine's not
like-
very solid. Oh gosh, touch mine.
Yeah.
This is
So
temporary.
you might need to have another one on order.
Yeah.
Mine's 2 pieces. I don't. So I have like the
like a
inside
bumper.
is like, I don't know how to make it work. We'll figure it out together.
Get another one.
Together.
All right,
There.
it's time.
I'm also recovering from a cold, so oh my god, 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 oh my god. Da, 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 da.
That was a great Oh my gosh, it's a stove. Here, it's secured so it can't move around.
That's exactly what happened in the last video. If you enjoy watching us unbox phones, I'll link the one from last year because we did unbox the iPhone XS Max last year. And yeah, so, I mean, I enjoy watching unboxing videos. Okay, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, also we said oh my god a lot.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay.
You guys.
I don't think I've seen
A box of it yet.
I mean, I guess I have. Last year's, it looked like a boob.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked like a boob last
This
year.
year looks like a stove.
Stove.
All right,
Have you
guys.
guys seen the TikTok where the person's like cracking the little egg and he's got a little frying pan piece of paper and he's like, I'm gonna cook it on my stove. All
I should
right,
open
here
it.
we go. You ready?
Oh gosh, here we go. ASMR. Yeah. Oh, we got silver, if we didn't say. We struggled. We
Yeah, we
struggled
did.
over getting silver
Yeah.
or rose gold or whatever, and we always get rose gold, and it was just kind of like a change it up.
Change it up.
We also did 256 because of cloud storage.
Right.
We might regret it. Oh my gosh.
I hope not. I hope not. It's so pretty. You know what? I'm not even gonna call it silver. It looks like pearl.
It's like purple. Oh!
First drop! Oh my god! Oh my god, she dropped it!
I'm sad. We're good.
We're good. Okay, well I just got it all out of the box. I'm gonna hold my finger here.
Wait.
That's a rapid charger.
Is it?
Yes.
Did it say it was rapid?
I know it is because I've watched videos.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I didn't know we were getting a rapid charger.
Yes.
Wait. Oh, they try to like make you think. That happened last year, I think too. I'm like,
Yeah.
wait, there's no cord.
They're not AirPods. Don't get it twisted,
I love
okay?
AirPods.
All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my
I can't believe I did that.
I know you did.
I'm
It
so
is
sad.
gorgeous. I'm not sad at all that we went with this color. Like, not at all, you guys. Look at it.
Oh, so they changed the rapid charger to be like a
Yeah, USB-C to lightning.
to lightning.
Sorry.
So like you can't use any of your other cords on this one,
Yeah.
and this cord can't be used on any of your other ones.
Right. Oh, I can stick it into my laptop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is. You can put it on your laptop now.
Okay, guys, I have the
cannot.
new MacBook that has no USB ports, but I have USB-C
But I
now.
have other ones that I can put
yes,
into
yes,
mine.
yes,
so,
yes,
but
yes, yes,
this
yes.
is really pretty.
I know I don't want to take the plastic off, but like
I don't
we
either,
have to.
but I want to like
get her
I'm
out.
So excited.
Eee.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wait, but I just want to put my glass protector on.
Yes.
Okay, I just waited. I just put it back on. Okay, I don't want to do that yet. I'm gonna leave you on. I'm gonna leave you on. Just kidding.
Maybe I'll just turn mine on.
Yeah,
This is like the exact same though, like for real. Like it is the exact same front
yeah.
as
I think they say
the XS Max.
Weightier, and I can feel that in my hand.
Maybe.
You don't have a case on it yet.
Yeah. It's just
Okay.
kind of weighty.
All right,
Let's turn it on.
hold on.
Did I turn it on right? Hold on, hold on. I won't turn on.
I don't either.
Do you have to charge this one first or something? Hello?
Oh, my phone turned on. Mine won't either, so it's okay. Last year, you had to hold it down for a minute and then let go.
There it is.
Just hold it down until it turns on.
Yeah.
Do I let go?
Yeah. I don't know. Mine just finally turned on. There it is.
Ah, there it is, there it is, there it is.
You guys.
Do we take our SIM card out and do all that jazz?
We can.
Oh my gosh. I really thought I was gonna have regrets, and I really thought it was ugly, but seeing it in person,
It's so pretty.
I'm not mad about it. And I'll tell you guys, our main excitement motivation for this was the camera
For filming, for
Hello.
if you guys didn't know, we have an online boutique and I take a lot of photos on my phone for a Facebook group. So I do a lot of mirror selfies. We do a lot of lives on our phones.
Yes. We also want to get back into vlogging. I know it's something we've talked about, but I really do want to get back into it. And this is going to have a really cool feature once there's a software update, and you will be able to vlog with the front facing camera, and you can also have the whatever you're looking at being recorded at the same time. So it's like picture in picture recording, and I'm so excited about that because so many times, you know, you'll be like vlogging, recording yourself, and something will be happening that you want to get, but you've got to stop recording, swap to the back camera, and start it again. Yeah, that happened last year, remember? I can't do it right now because we're on my phone, but, and then you hold your camera up and get that, yeah.
So we didn't have Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi
here last time.
Yeah. So the way to set it up is really cool and a lot more intuitive.
So I just
than
like
last
scan
time.
it and it sets up your iPhone. It's kind of like, I just started with Apple TV and I just use my iPhone and I hold my iPhone close to my Apple TV. It sets up all my Wi-Fi, all my apps, everything. I wonder if I could put my case on and then do my screen protector. I think I can. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Or are you supposed to not have it in a case when you do
I
it?
don't know.
I think you're not supposed to have it in a case when you do it.
Oh, we're gonna do Face ID now, you guys. All right.
It's nearby. I have it nearby. It's not doing it.
Doing Face ID.
Oh well. Continue.
I think then you have to set it up on cloud if you have your backup on cloud, which we do.
Yeah. Do I?
I don't know, do I?
I don't know. I mean, we back up all of our photos and stuff, but I don't know if like everything is on the cloud.
I'm not sure.
We're gonna find out. I have
Okay.
no idea. I have not been
Continue.
using the backup stuff, but I have a question for you guys. Do you utilize the cloud storage, and do you feel like you find yourself buying not as large storage phones because of that. I mean, that was our motivation this time. I was like, I'm not getting the 512, I'll save the money and just do cloud storage. Because you get way more, like the amount of money you're saving, you get that cloud storage basically
light or dark
for 2 years for the amount, and you get two terabytes.
Yeah. Oh, now it's gonna restore from cloud. I wonder how long that'll take.
Who knows? My face is in the frame.
This is so fun.
My face is in the frame.
I wanna know, if you guys get as hyped as we do about it.
Is yours blurry like that?
No.
Oh, that was weird. Slowly to complete the circle. What?
Yours was making noise, mine was not. Was it?
I didn't hear any sounds.
Oh, I'm excited
fun.
and scared to do
Now
this.
complete. Does it give me like a one to pick from what I'm setting up?
Yeah, it'll tell you.
Guys, like look at the colors. I'm so glad we went with the
I know
silver.
it's pretty. Oh no, I don't even know what this is. Dust.
That's if you've got little lint on it. Did it ask you which one you were importing over before you agreed and stuff?
No, I agree, and then it said.
You agree and then you picked the...
I think so.
Okay, it's preparing to transfer. I didn't select a thing.
So maybe it already, maybe you, I don't know.
Maybe I didn't have any options. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, we will find out what it's doing because I do not know.
I don't even know what I'm doing with the screen protector. I'm just going for it. Do you guys use screen protectors, and do you use cases, or are you like a rebel?
I wish that I'd gotten one of the ones that has the guide. Like they've got the glass protectors that have a guide on it,
Is
you
that
know?
it?
Yes.
So you did get one.
Yeah, didn't realize it.
I'm scared. Oh, look at it, look at it. Oh my gosh.
Right? It's so easy with that thing.
I'm drawing the bubbles out. Maybe I'll get,
Draw?
like with my finger.
Is that what it said?
Well, my finger I am. Y'all, the screen protectors stress me out when I first put it on, and then I don't even think about it, and they break sometimes.
And then you get another one.
I didn't. Mine's still got a bubble and it's busted.
So I peel this off and then set her down.
Oh my god, I feel like it has dust.
Dust on it.
I gotta get her in the case. She's stressing me out.
Oh my god, I hate myself.
Guys, it's in a case, and it's beautiful. I do not feel like my camera's protected in this case, so I will be getting a new case ASAP. I mean, this one's not that protected, let's be honest. They're a little like, they're more hardcore than you think. Look how pretty this is. Look at it.
You're in your case. Oh, I love it so much.
Like, I love the rose gold from last year. Don't
Yeah.
get me wrong, I love it. This is pretty too. They took the iPhone off. It doesn't say iPhone anymore. I need to put the pop socket on. Oh, this is gonna cover up the apple because they moved the apple down. Is it cute? Ooh. It's a little bit off center for my case. I mean, my pop socket, but what is it doing? I don't know.
I've never seen it look like that before.
It's so weird.
We're gonna come back when we've got them on and like
Yes.
set up or whatever. So
Yes.
we'll be back.
I don't know if it's moved at all. I don't think it has. I don't know. Our phones are back.
Okay, cool. So we have a dilemma. Steph's photos are not importing.
Yeah.
And we
so
don't
gotta
know
figure that
why.
out. Yours are though.
Mine are.
This is a close up. That's not a close up, but like a little side by side action.
Yeah. I'm not totally set up yet. I still have to get like all my passwords put on here. I've got to swap out my SIM
Feel
card.
that much heavier, if any. I feel like the main difference that you're gonna get in these phones is cameras.
Yeah. And I mean, honestly, this is less storage than our other ones, which I have a slight internal struggle about it, but like, I don't know.
It'll be all right. We'll make it work.
Will it? I mean, we have the cloud.
Yeah, we
You know,
do.
Just can't put any bad stuff there. Well, just 76,000 more photos to download from the cloud.
I gotta get mine set up.
Yeah.
Y'all, I have like 80,000. Oh man.
Yeah.
I'll have to swap those over.
Yeah.
If you have any tips and tricks for figuring out why mine are not swapping over, let me know down below. Hopefully I'll have it done before this video goes up.
Do we want to show them the camera stuff at all?
I mean, it's pretty cool. Like if I was to take a picture in this room right now and show you our setup, I'll take
I'll take it with our old phone. I might just have to put the actual picture on the screen.
Okay.
Technology.
This is the new iPhone versus the old iPhone.
Yeah, the old iPhone, and that's so much more.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, like you can see 3 lights versus just the ring light
You can
camera.
see part of the table and the ceiling.
Oh yeah.
And multiple lights, and
Yeah.
you can see the TV over on the side.
Yeah.
That's
crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So, like we said, one of the main things is the camera. You can also do a slow-fi, which is a slow-mo front facing.
Oh my god, please do it. Please, I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. Hold on.
I do not look cute.
Hold on, we'll put some music on it.
You can put music on it?
On the video.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Can't.
Ready?
I don't have a pause socket, so it's harder. Ready,
Set,
set, go. Oh, I got fresh lipstick on.
Okay. Let's watch it. I can see you in part of it.
Well,
Oh,
I'm glad I'm able to do that.
I mean, I'd be really missing out.
Yeah.
Oh, watch.
Nice.
That was fun. That'll be
Yeah.
really useful. Definitely needed that one. A lot of the same options. There's a night mode. Y'all, I have a popcorn.
I just wish we could get a beauty filter on this thing.
I know, right?
What the
I don't know.
heck?
There's a night mode option for low light, which is really exciting because, you know,
That's almost beauty filter.
I catch myself
Look.
wanting to. Is it? What kind it is? Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, if you find yourself out at night and you want to take a picture, got that low light setting.
Cool. All right, well, I think we're just gonna have to explore it, see what all it can do, and I am very much looking forward to the update when we can vlog and get the front facing, back facing, all the
Same
facings.
time.
And our vlog game's gonna go up by like 100 because right now it's 0.
It can only go up from
Can
here.
only go up. So, all right, thanks for hanging out with us on this iPhone unboxing. Come back next week. We unbox an Android. I can't even talk.
We're gonna unbox an Android.
No, we're not. But thumbs up if we should. Let us know down in the comments. And what else do you want to see? We put this on 11th Gorgeous because we're adults and we can do whatever we want.
I do what I want.
Yeah.
And we'll talk to you guys in a video super soon.
We sure dang will.
Bye,
guys. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see others like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, you can click the circular channel icon
And it'll sub you right up.